Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Sunshine Vermiculite Premium Grade is an essential all-natural ingredient that's added to many of our quality potting mixes. It's lightweight, porous, highly water absorbent, and holds and releases fertilizer well, making nutrients more available to plant roots. Growers also use pure vermiculite for starting seeds and rooting plant cuttings that need extra moisture. This natural mineral is heated and processed into a puffy, lightweight granule for horticultural use. Then we further process it into fine granules. Add Sunshine Vermiculite to make your own mixes to increase water and nutrient availability, or simply use it to propagate your own plants at home. It's 100% natural and organic, and OMRI listed for organic gardening. Sunshine Vermiculite is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit sunshinemixes.com to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Sunshine purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.